As the global economy faces increasing uncertainty, many investors and individuals are turning to alternative assets to protect their wealth. One of the most talked about alternatives in recent years is Bitcoin, the world's first decentralized cryptocurrency. Bitcoin has gained significant attention for its potential to serve as a store of value, hedge against inflation, and even as a safe haven during periods of economic instability. In this video, we will explore the role of Bitcoin in global economic uncertainty, analyzing how Bitcoin can act as a protective asset and what its future might look like in times of financial crisis. This video will be beneficial to those looking to understand Bitcoin's potential as an alternative investment, especially during periods of market volatility or economic downturn. Whether you're already an investor in Bitcoin or just curious about its role in the broader financial landscape, we'll provide valuable insights into how Bitcoin can help you navigate turbulent economic times. Let's dive in and see how Bitcoin can serve as a tool for wealth preservation in times of global economic uncertainty. The global economic landscape. The global economy has faced numerous challenges in recent years, from the COVID-19 pandemic to inflationary pressures, geopolitical conflicts, and supply chain disruptions. These events have created an environment of economic uncertainty, where traditional investment strategies like stocks, bonds, and real estate may not offer the same level of security as they once did. Economic uncertainty often leads to market volatility, with investors becoming more risk-averse and seeking out assets that are perceived as more stable or less correlated to traditional markets. During times of inflation or currency devaluation, many investors look for alternatives that can preserve wealth over the long term. This is where Bitcoin comes in. Bitcoin was created as a decentralized digital asset that operates outside the control of governments and central banks. Unlike fiat currencies, which can be printed in unlimited quantities by central banks, Bitcoin has a fixed supply of 21 million coins, making it an attractive option for those seeking to protect their wealth from inflation and currency debasement. Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation. One of the key reasons Bitcoin has gained popularity as a safe haven asset is its potential to act as a hedge against inflation. Inflation occurs when the value of a currency decreases, usually as a result of excessive money printing by central banks. When this happens, the purchasing power of individuals and businesses is eroded, and the value of traditional investments, such as stocks and bonds, may decrease as well. Bitcoin's fixed supply of 21 million coins makes it an attractive alternative to fiat currencies. While central banks can increase the supply of money at will, Bitcoin's supply is capped, making it immune to inflationary pressures caused by excessive currency printing. As a result, many investors view Bitcoin as a store of value, much like gold, that can protect their wealth from the effects of inflation. For example, during periods of high inflation, such as in 2020 and 2021, Bitcoin saw a significant increase in value as investors sought to protect their assets. Bitcoin's price surged from around $5,000 in March 2020 to over $60,000 by April 2021, driven by increased demand from institutional investors as well as retail investors seeking an inflation hedge. This demonstrated Bitcoin's potential to outperform traditional assets in times of inflation, positioning it as a viable alternative to fiat currencies. However, it's important to note that Bitcoin is still a relatively volatile asset, and its price can fluctuate significantly in the short term. While Bitcoin has proven itself as a hedge against inflation over the long term, its short-term price movements can still be influenced by market sentiment and external factors, such as regulatory news and technological developments. Bitcoin and financial crises. In times of financial crisis, traditional assets like stocks, bonds, and real estate often experience sharp declines in value. During the 2008 financial crisis, for example, global stock markets plummeted, and many individuals lost significant portions of their wealth. In response to these crises, many investors began looking for alternative assets that could provide greater stability and protection during turbulent times. Bitcoin, with its decentralized nature, has the potential to provide a safe haven for investors during financial crises. Unlike traditional financial systems, which can be impacted by government policies, central bank decisions, and the overall health of the banking system, Bitcoin operates on a peer-to-peer network that is independent of any central authority. During the 2020 market crash caused by the COVID-19 pandemic, Bitcoin initially experienced a sharp decline in value, along with traditional markets. However, as governments around the world implemented massive stimulus packages and began printing money to support their economies, Bitcoin quickly rebounded, surpassing its pre-crash levels. This rebound was fueled by growing concerns about inflation and the long-term devaluation of fiat currencies. As the world faces the possibility of future financial crises, whether caused by pandemics, geopolitical instability, or systemic failures in the financial sector, Bitcoin's ability to act as a decentralized, borderless asset provides an alternative for those seeking protection against the risks associated with traditional financial systems. Quiz time. What is the total maximum supply of Bitcoin? A. 18 million. B. 21 million. C. 50 million. D. 100 million. Drop your answer in the comments below, and a random winner will be selected to win an Amazon voucher. Good luck! Bitcoin as a global digital currency. Another important aspect of Bitcoin's potential role in global economic uncertainty is its ability to function as a borderless, global digital currency. Unlike traditional fiat currencies, which are subject to government control and national borders, Bitcoin operates on a global scale, accessible to anyone with an internet connection. In times of economic instability, many individuals in countries with unstable currencies or political turmoil have turned to Bitcoin as a way to preserve their wealth and conduct transactions. For example, in countries experiencing hyperinflation, such as Venezuela or Zimbabwe, Bitcoin has provided a means for citizens to protect their savings from the rapid devaluation of their national currency. Additionally, Bitcoin can be used as a means of remittance for people living in countries with underdeveloped banking infrastructure. By enabling peer-to-peer transactions without the need for a third-party intermediary, Bitcoin offers a more efficient and cost-effective solution for transferring money across borders, especially in regions where traditional financial systems are inaccessible or unreliable. As more people around the world gain access to Bitcoin and its associated technologies, its role as a global digital currency could grow, providing a means of economic freedom and financial inclusion for individuals in unstable regions. If you like our video, do like, comment, and share with your friends and family. And do not forget to hit the bell icon to stay tuned for more latest updates.